Hi, welcome to my channel Yanam Takshasila. In this new video, I am going to solve a mathematical problem under analytical geometry. So the problem is, prove that the circles x square plus y square plus 2x minus 4y minus 3 equal to 0 and x square plus y square minus 8x plus 6y plus 7 equal to 0 touch each other. So touch each other means here we have to show the two conditions, either they touch each other externally or internally. So what they have given here, two circle equations given. From each equation what you need to find? You need to find the center. So from first equation of circle you will find the center C1 and radius R1. Similarly from second equation of circle we will find the center C2 and radius R2 by comparing those equations with the general equation of the circle. And from after that we will find the distance between this C1 and C2. See that whether it is equal to sum of two radii or difference of radii. Then you can say that whether the two circles touch each other externally or internally. So we'll go to the solution. So first write given equation circles. So what they are given? So given x square plus y square plus 2x minus 4y minus 3 equal to 0. Number this equation number 1, and second equation also will write x square plus y square minus 8x plus 6y plus 7 equal to 0. So number this is equation number 2. Now from first equation, as I told you before, from first equation you have to compare the general first equation with the general equation of circle. What is the general equation of circle? X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. So comparing equation 1 with the general equation of circle. General equation of circle. So you get from first equation you get 2g1. So 2g1 is 2 and 2f1 is minus 4 and c1 is minus 3. So g1 equal to 2 by 2. Upon cancellation you will get g1 equal to 1. Here f1 equal to minus 4 by 2. So upon cancellation you will get minus 2. So you got the values of g1, f1 and c1 from equation 1. Similarly from second equation also we will find the values of g2, f2 and c2 comparing with the general equation of circle. So next comparing second equation with general equation of circle. So you will get 2g2 equal to, what is that, minus 8 and 2f2 equal to 6 and here c2 equal to 7. So what is the g2 value? You will get minus 8 by 2. Upon cancellation you will get by using 2 table. So it will be minus 4 and here f2 equal to 6 by 2. Upon cancellation f2 equal to 3. So you got the values of g2, f2 and c2. So what is the next step? From these values we will find c1 and r1. So what is c1? c1 is nothing but center c1 is formula is minus g1 comma minus f1. So what is minus g1? g1 value what you got? You got 1. So minus 1 comma, already f1 value is minus 2. So minus minus plus 2. So this is c1. So we got the c1. And from this we will find the radius r1. So what is r1? Square root of g1 square plus f1 square minus c1. So that is, what is g1 square? 1 square. Then f1 square is minus 2 square. Then what is c1? Minus 3. So minus minus plus 3. So we get 1 plus 4 plus 3. So what is 4 plus 3? 4 plus 3 is 7 plus 1, that is root 8. So how you can write root 8? Root 8 as square root 4 into 2. Now I can remove 4 outside, so it will be r1 value is 2 root 2 because 2 is the square of 4 is the square of 2. So you can write 2 root 2. So you got the c1 value and r1 value. Now we find the c2 and r2 from those g2 value and f2 and c2. So what is c2 here? Second center. second center is minus G2 comma minus F2. So what is G2 here? G2 is minus 4. So minus minus plus 4, then minus F2. F2 value is 3, so it will be minus 3. So you got the C2 value. So then what is the next thing you need to find? We need to find the R2 value. What is R2 here? So R2 equal to square root of G2 square plus F2 square minus C2. So G2, what is G2? G2 is minus 4. So minus 4 whole square. What is F2? F2 is 3. So plus 3 square. What is C2? C2 is 7. So minus 7. So you get 4 minus 4 square is 16. 3 square is 9 minus 7. What is 16 plus 9? That is 25 minus 7. That is 18. So you can write 18 as square root of 9 into 2. So 9 can be written as 3 square. So you can remove the root. So R2 equal to 3 root 2. So you got the C2 value and R2 value as well. So after that what you need to do? So you know the C1 value. This is C1. So C1, C2. So from these two centers you need to find the distance. So C1, C2 equal to, so as you know the distance formula is square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So C1 points as x1 as minus 1 and y1 as 2 and C2 points 4 comma minus 3, take 4 as x2 and minus 3 as y2. So you get root, so x2 minus x1, so you get 4 minus 1, that is 4 plus 1 whole square plus minus 3 minus 2 whole square. So this will be, so 4 plus 1, what is 4 plus 1? 5 square, again minus 3 minus 2 minus 5 whole square. So you will get 25 plus 25. What is that? Root 50. You can write as 25 into 2. So what is 25 root 2? That is, you can take, because 25 is the 5 square. So you can write this as 5 root 2. So this is C1, C2. So we got the distance from C1 and C2. So what is the next thing? Now we will check this C1, C2 is equal to sum of two radii or difference of radii. What is radius you got? What is R1 value? R1 is 2 root 2 and R2 is 3 root 2. Just add those. So when we are adding R1 plus R2 equal to, what is that? 2 root 2 plus 3 root 2. So you get 5 root 2. What is 5 root 2? Already got this C1, C2. So therefore you can conclude that C1, C2 equal to R1 plus R2. So from this result what you can say? The given two circles touch each other externally. So write that, therefore the given two circles touch each other externally. If there is difference, then you can say that they are internally. Since it is the sum of two radii equal to the distance from C1 and C2, so you can conclude that the given two circles touch each other externally. Now if you want to do problems of this kind, I have given a link in the description. Please click on that link. And this video is mostly useful to the polytechnic and engineering students. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel for further updates. Thank you for watching my video.